Hello you guys, welcome back to this brand new amazing freaking video. So I got a parcel in and it's actually a new seatbelt in also a new color. Some of you guys already saw the other one, but yeah, I got like the other side right now, so we're gonna be installing this today. It should be an easy install, but I guess we'll never know. But let's get into this. So as you just saw, we have a dark red one. Yeah, we're gonna be installing it today. The most hard thing will be the seatbelt receiver, because I need another one. So let's get into this. My car's very hot, but I have my boot open because I don't have back seat. Yeah. So yeah, it's a proof system. Approved system. So let's look at the seatbelt in black. As you can see, it also isn't rolling up like very fast, but we need to unbuckle this one, and behind here are like another two or something, and then this one, and then it will also be nice and red like that one. So let's get into this and let's remove this frame. This panel I meant. So yeah, I got a screwdriver and we're gonna loosen this cap, because we also got like a new cap. How did I do this? Yeah, that was it. So, gonna pull this off, and another nut, yay! So yeah, you have this mechanism, but I'm just gonna keep it on low, so don't really worry about that, because there is going to be a other one going on top of here. So let's do that, like this. Bam! And it's loose, as you can see. We got it right over here. Now we just need to remove this screw, and then we can be installing the new one, and I'll also do the color review. Yeah! Bloody hell, it's so freaking hot. It's like, it's gonna be 30 degrees today. So very, very, very hot. So yeah, the old seatbelt is out, as you can see. Now we're gonna place the new one here. And we have to make it such way that is aligned right up, so that yeah, otherwise it doesn't work. So let's do that right now. But yeah, first let's do the color review. It is dark red and it looks absolutely insane. Only I don't know why, but they placed two of these and we only need one. But this is the new seatbelt, and this is what I mean. If it's going to hang like this, you can pull it up, and if it hangs straight, can pull it up. So that's gonna be fun. So yeah, let's get installing. Ow. Fuck. Wow. Alright, so I hope you guys can see it. Yeah. And then when we pull it up. We also got some new nuts. So let's grab them. We're gonna use this one because this one's looks the most like the other one we used. The first one I released was this one. So as you can see, looks pretty much the same for me. And we gonna use this ring right there with another ring in between, and then one of those, but we're gonna use a new one for that and a new one for that. So let's get this install going, and let's hope it actually works. Oh yeah. So we got the first part on. Now the second part, that's with this one. So we're gonna replace it with this nut. And this ring we also gonna use because yeah, it is actually not necessary, never mind. It fitted the old one but not the new one. So we gotta use a washer for the back. So gonna place this, then one of those rings, and then a washer. So like this. And let's now get this thing on. Oh, yeah, okay, we are here. So, gonna put the door panel back in. So now we have this, and it's working. If you pull fast, it locks up. If you pull slowly, it works. So let's grab the little cap and let's put it on there like this. And now the only thing we need to do is replace the receiver, so I'm gonna do that and I will be back. Yeah, finally!
Something.